Hello everybody! Today we're gonna make a quick, easy and cute decoration for your home or office. We will create a wheat plant and I will be starting with making a wheat grain by simply gluing some strips together depending on how big you want it, rolling it, letting it just a little bit loose and shaping it into an open marquise, then pushing the middle a little bit in the exterior to have a 3D look. I will add some glue inside to secure it in place. We continue with preparing the stem. You can find other ways to do it. I just took some skewer sticks, cut them in half and wrapped some paper strips around them. This is called bandaging and you can find the technique in the video I linked in the card on the screen. After finishing this painstaking task, we can glue on it all the previously made grains. I made 14 in total. This is slow work too, because you must make sure they stay in place after gluing, so you just might need to hold them for a few seconds before taking your fingers off. What is it missing? Oh yeah, the long stiff extensions that protect the kernels. And voila! Make sure you cut them from a thicker paper so they don't bend and glue them on top of every kernel. Once all of them are in place, our wheat plant is ready. I previously made 2 more because I had in mind to create some sort of home or office deco with them. And as a support, I got a small bucket to match the formal feel of all this. Since my little bucket has 2 cropped butterflies on it, I made one also to put it on top, and I made it quickly from 4 bent circle teardrops and 3 very tiny rolled tight coils. I even added a cute small ladybug on one of the spikes. And that's it. I hope you like the result because I just love it. When I see them, I imagine being in a golden field and running around like I used to do when I was a child. You could use longer sticks if you want and put them in a different container and maybe add a real plant along with your quilt creations. Let your imagination run wild and you'll surely come up with something beautiful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. Also, leave me a comment and tell me if you have any ideas of other farming items that would be nice quilling projects. Take care!